Hi, this is Narayan Sapkota. Today I'm going to show the ETF chart, SPY ETF chart. This is the S&P 500 ETF SPY. It's up today is $6.26. This is the SPY ETF holding 10 major holding: Microsoft 7%, Apple 5.65%, Nvidia 5.06%, Amazon 3.74%, Meta 2.42%, Alphabet 2%, Berkshire Hathaway 1.73%, Alphabet Kasi 1.70%, Eli Lilly 1.41%, Broadcom 1.32%. This is the holding of SPI. And this is today news is the Dow Jones Industrial Average gains 450 points. It's 1.18% to settle at 38,675 points. The S&P 500 surged 1.26% to finish at 5,127 points and notched its best day since February, while the NASDAQ Composite rallied 1.99% to close at 16,156 points. All the averages capped off a winning week. The Dow and Nasdaq rose 1.14% and 1.43% respectively, while the S&P 500 added 0.55%. Friday, non-farm payroll report shows 175,000 jobs gain in April, below the 240,000 jobs expected by economists surveyed by Dow Jones. The unemployment rate edged up to 3.9% versus 3.8% in the prior month. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, wage figure also came in less than expected, an encouraging sign for inflation. It's rarely eased investor fear that the economy may be overheating or reaccelerating, and it's reviving hope for rate cuts, said June Hancock Investment Management Company Chief Investment Strategist Emily Ronald. That's why rates are falling, bonds are rallying, and equity markets are up. Bad news for the market means the Fed may be able to start cutting later this year. Following April weaker than expected job growth and moderating wage gains, traders are pricing in a second rate cut by the end of the year. Fed funds further trading data suggests a nearly 50% likelihood of a 25 basis points rate cut in September, according to the CME Group's Fed Watch tracker of future marketing pricing. This I already mentioned it. This is a weekly a daily candle of SPY. SPY today is $511. It's today of $6. This is the daily candle. We can see here Bollinger Bands. It's a middle line. I make it's a green. It's a middle line uh, from here bottom. It's a bearish line to it is going to bullish line. It's cross is we can say it is a now uh, making little bit bullish, this one, when it's cross the middle line Bollinger Band, and volume also increasing today. And TTM squeeze, but it's a daily TTM squeeze is bearish still. It's a red is more bearish and yellow is less bearish, but it is a bearish. And when it's come bullish, when we can see bullish, that time it's TTM squeeze like it's a blue. Yeah, and upper side is a middle line is a green. This one is zero line, and when TTM squeeze shows below the zero line is the bearish time, and when TTM is shows the um, upper line from here, it's a bullish. Like we have to see it's a blue colors. Then mark S&P SPY will be bullish. This daily candle, it's showing like this. It's not too much bullish like before. Yeah, when bullish time, it goes like this and makes its midline is support and again going higher like this. And when price stay above the midline, that situation is little bit bullish. And upper line, when price walk the upper line of this Bollinger Band, that time is more bullish. This, but TTM is not showing bullish here. Daily candle. This is the daily candle, and this is a weekly candle. It's a Bollinger Band. Price stay here, middle of the Bollinger Band. It's a mix up in weekly candle. This comes 3 weeks down like this, and it's a make support here in the middle line. And before we can see a candle like this, weekly candle, and volume also increase than last week. This week is volume going to increase, and you can see here TTM squeeze is still bullish. Daily candle, before we see here, this is TTM is squeezed in daily candle. It looks like a red, and then comes yellow. It's like a bearish, but in weekly candle we can see TTM squeeze is still bullish, not bearish. So SPY, this one is we are using here the Hulu moving average. Is a 10-day and 20-day two moving average here, and when both moving average are green, that time is bullish, and when both moving average are red, that time is bearish. It's now is coming down like this, breaking the it's a trend line, and it's now it touching trend line. It's a price coming back, but it's not breaking the trend line, just touching the trend line. It's now it's both moving average looks like green. It's a daily candle also, SPY daily candle and Hulu moving average, trend line and volume. This ATR more than 6 now. This one we discussed about the volume. SPY, this one is a weekly candle. Weekly candle looks like both the volume moving average are green. We can see two bullish candle here, but both the volume moving average in weekly chart, it's a red. Before it's a red green. When we see here in weekly candle, both are green is long time. Now it's turned in red, and after this two green candle, also after this two green candle, hulu moving average, both hulu moving average looks like red. So we can see here in weekly candle, it's ATR, it's 12. Volume, we discussed about the volume also increasing this week. This is SPY. This is all-time high price was $524.61. Today price is $511, and today up $6.28. So today is the S&P 500 of $63, and SPY of $6. Like when S&P 500 up going up $10, yeah, 10 points. SPY generally gets increase $1, and when S&P 500 goes down 10 points, SPY decrease. SPY price decrease near about $1. Like this, today is S&P 500 up 63 points. So the SPY price of $6.28. So its all-time high is $524. Today is $511, and chart it's this anchored view up. View up is when price stay above this, the green line is upper line, that time is bullish. Now price is not above the green line, but it's not not coming bearish line also. This is the support line, midline support line, but getting back from here, it's making it's undecided candle also. uh, it's in daily candle. It's a histogram, MACD histogram is turned in green. When we can see is histogram green, that this time is bullish, SPY bullish, and when it's turned in red, that time is bearish. Now this RSI also not good position. It's like a 53.78, means it's not a good position, but it's coming back from oversold position. It's touched the 30 level, and now today is a 53.78, means 54 points. When it's uh, uh, goes to 60, more than 60 like this, at that time we can say yes, SPY is in good for bullish position. But now it's coming back, but not too good position for bullishness. So anchor view, it is this is the daily chart, and I'm going to show is weekly chart also. Anchor view up is like it's a make him in weekly chart. Yes, SPY makes support here in the upper line, makes supports. 3 weeks come down like this, and 2 weeks go up like this. So it's a making support here. It means weekly chart shows it's a bullish position, but it's a MACD histogram not showing this is the bullish position. In 3 candle, it's a 3 week, it shows a bearish position. Now RSI 62, it's a in weekly candle. SPI also it's a look like so bullish from side of RSI. The 60 is a good position, not a bad position, not a bearish position from the RSI side. This is the yeah, a little bit bullish, but yes, a histogram it's not showing bullish. So uh, it's three, we are checking three now, talking weekly candle. It's a anchor view up, histogram, and RSI. It's a one is not showing it's a bullish. So but trend is like this, showing it's a bullish and coming back, and maybe it can go higher from here, and maybe making lower low. We cannot say about the market only can predict it. So but its position is yesterday and today is looks like market it's a more bullish, and it's a buyer's market now. It's from here till today it's a buyer's market. It's not a seller's market. So SPY look like not a strong bullish like before. 5 weeks before, SPY S&P 500 is a strong bullish. Yes, but today nowadays it's a 3 weeks come down. So it's a when back out this 524, then we can say it's a more bullish. It's a market waiting. It's a Fed decision, Fed rate cut decision. Maybe after that decision, market takes some way. This year also was the election years, so market where to go, maybe going up every time, every day, every month. We cannot say like this, but market is now is bullish position. So please subscribe the YouTube channel and suggest me what type of analysis and what type of company you can suggest me. You can write me. I will answer, and I will make video like this. This is Narayan Sapkota. I'll make another video also from this video. Yeah, I want to end it. Thank you very much.